It's a follow-up video for current week. I would like to show a couple of my trades that I have been made, and let's get started. So first of all, we can start with GME. This company have a report on this week, and here's the point where I present my video and tell regarding that GameStop Corporation will buy Bitcoin, and suddenly they go down, but suddenly for maybe stakeholders, I was shorting this stock as most of the news were in price, and here's we can see that price reached out to $22. Unfortunately, I have closed my short around 28.6, and raised only $100 due to short term. I try to short in like such speculation in very short term, for example, for a couple of hours, and don't sit for a couple of days here. Another stock that I was reviewing, and it was on my list, but unfortunately I didn't take any action. It was a GitLab. I was also checking the stock for a short position, but unfortunately I didn't believe in that and decided to sit and just watch what will happen. Anyway, stock go down, and it was a good chance to make some money. I was longing at Tesla. Here as you can see, it was dump on some conflict between Elon Musk and Donald Trump, and I put some long position and earn around $900. It was a good trade. For a long term on this week, I bought call options for a company which called FSLR. It have a good potential for growing up. And let's see what will happen. Maybe these options make me rich. Thank you for watching. See you next video.